Does your app have a critical junction where users need to make an important decision? Do you want to alert someone about something, or maybe get their input? Try using an AlertDialog. Depending on your preferred design, you can either use an AlertDialog for Material or Cupertino AlertDialog for iOS. At their most basic, dialogs are pop-ups with some content and some buttons. Right up top is the title, followed by the main content. Usually this is text, but it could also be an animated image or anything you want. It should be clear to users what to do about the alert, so specify how they can respond to it with buttons passed to the Actions parameter. If you're in a Material world, AlertDialog gives you additional properties. Like a card, you can change the elevation of the dialog, as well as the background color. And if you really want to get fancy, you can modify the shape of your dialog with a shape parameter. Cupertino AlertDialog and AlertDialog pair with helper methods showCupertino and showDialog respectively to actually, well, show the dialogs. ShowDialog takes a context and a builder that returns the specific dialog you want to appear. You then tell it whether or not the user can tap outside of it to dismiss. And that's it. ShowDialog and AlertDialog implement the Material way of doing dialogues. Cupertino AlertDialog and showCupertino take many of the same parameters and render for iOS. For more on AlertDialogs and all the other Flutter widgets, head on over to flutter.dev.